Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the August edition of St. John's School Bulletin, a month that painted our school with the colors of festival, patriotism, creativity, and awareness.
Yes, August was a perfect blend of festivities and responsibilities, a time when our hearts rejoiced in celebration while our minds awakened to new learnings.
To begin with, our students experienced meaningful cinema through a movie show.
चित्रपट कहानियां मन को छू जाए, कक्षा के बाहर भी शिक्षा मिल जाए.
From classes 4 to 6, the film Mahavatra Narsimha was shown, a mythological tale reminding children of a faith and an eternal victory of truth over evil.
Movie Tanvi the Great was screened, motivating them to face challenges with courage.
A special assembly on Raksha Bandhan was organized under the guidance of August month in charge. Students presented speech, dance, and a melodious song highlighting the sacred bond of love and protection between siblings.
नन्हे हाथों में जब सजन के रंग भरते हैं, राखी के धागे रिश्तों को संवारते हैं.
Creative hands come alive during Rakhi making activity. From classes 1st to 5th, children prepare beautiful Rakhis using different art material. Their creation was displayed, admired and appreciated by our principal Dr. Shalini Bissa.
With devotion in the air, our school celebrated the birth of Lord Krishna. Dressed as Radha Krishna, tiny tots of junior classes filled the stage with divinity. Bhajans, dances and enactments brought to life the Leelas of Nand Gopal. For pre-primary classes, the animated movie Krishna and Kans was shown. With patriotic fervor, the St. John's School celebrated the 79th Independence Day. The national flag was unfurled by the Honorable Chief Guest Colonel Baldev Singh Ji and accompanied by Mr. Trilok Singh, Chairman Dr. Ramnivas Chaudhary and Principal Dr. Shalini Bissa.
Cultural program including speeches, patriotic song, dance and a skit. The highlight was the soul-stirring address and a powerful patriotic speech delivered by a head boy Virendra Pratap Singh. To conclude the Environment Week, a special assembly was held. All the students together took pledge for greener and a healthier environment, promising to adapt eco-friendly habits in a daily life. A quiz competition from classes 9 to 10 was conducted on biodiversity, climate change, and renewable energy, while the class 11 student took participate in debate, are we doing enough to save our environment?
Adding to the impact, the teachers presented a powerful Nukkad Natak titled Dharti Kare Pukar, spreading awareness about environment protection and sustainable living. The assembly ended with the motivating words of the principal, encouraging everyone to live responsibly as caretakers of the Mother Earth.
On the same day, the World Senior Citizen Day was observed in a meaningful way. A special speech was delivered in the assembly highlighting the value of respecting elders. During a rally, children presented rosebuds to senior citizens, expressing gratitude, care and respect. This touches the heart and reflects the school emphasis value among the awareness. Winners of the competition held under the Environment Week are honored by our principal, which encouraged students to live responsible global citizens.
Another highlight was the green photography for class 12th, where young photographers like Nana and Kusum clicked breathtaking shots of the environment beauty, biodiversity and pollution awareness. Their art spoke louder than words. Holiday on 25th August was declared on account of Baba Ramdev Mela.
On 26th of August, St. John's School celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi with devotion and a joy. The assembly begins with Ganesh Vandana, followed by speeches and a poem by primary students highlighting the significance of the festival. The colorful dance performance added vibrancy, while the teachers shared story of Lord Ganesha, inspiring wisdom and humility. The celebration concluded with the Aarti and Prasad distribution, filling the campus with festival spirit.
Boys cricket tournament held on the school ground from 27th August to 29th August. The finals concluded the National Sports Day. Power hitters lifted the trophy with the pride awarded by the guest of honor, A.S. Singhvi.
And conclude with the parents-teacher meeting post-quarterly examination. It was a consultative session where parents and a teacher discussed the progress of the student.
खेल से मिलती शक्ति, संग बैठकों से दिशा, ज्ञान और संस्कारों से बनता है हमारा भविष्य.
Thus, the month of August was true reflection of celebration, education, awareness, and action. From patriotic fever to divine devotion, from green initiatives to creative expressions, St. John's School once again proved that here knowledge go much beyond the classrooms.
हर पर्व हमें संस्कार सिखाए, हर गतिविधि जीवन सजाए. सेंट जॉन्स का ये वादा है, हर बच्चे को श्रेष्ठ बनाना है. Thank you for watching August Bulletin.
Stay tuned for more updates in next edition.